The second trick is a one-handed snare roll. This is pretty cool. You literally put the tip of the stick in the middle of the snare. You take your thumb and your index finger like that, and the rest of the fingers kind of come out like that. So it's almost like you're making an OK sign, you know? So do that. Press down until you hear the click. Keep it on the rim and then bring it back up so you can hear the snare sound. That's how you begin it. Then you have to go fast enough to make it sound like it's a double stroke roll. One-handed snare roll.